A lot of homeowners don't know their insurance can deny a claim because of one tiny part on the garage door, and most people only find out after something goes wrong. Insurance policies often require homes to be properly maintained, and building codes matter more than people think. And reports show garage doors are common failure points during accidents, storms, break ins, especially when safety cables, springs, or auto reversing sensors are missing, damaged, or outdated. Insurance adjusters look closely at all those details because if a door fails due to wear, improper repair, or non-code compliant parts, the claim can be reduced or denied even if the damage looks sudden. Insurance companies can deny garage door related claims when a failure comes from door maintenance or unsafe components, which is why at Blue Jay Garage Doors we see the garage door as a risk point, not just a convenience, because one small overlooked part can cost far more than a repair ever would.